Somebody who are miserable and negative, you feel the impact in your face. Yeah, when you come back in America, the best thing to do is to stay with yourself for a bit. Don't interact with people, because in New York's a different energy. So, and then personality or anything is just a different energy. You're not on a fast moving vibe, you know? You come from a slow moving pace, things more easy going, and your brain kind of slow down even more. And I've witnessed it. You come back happy, you get more vitamin D, your skin look good, and you eat some fresh fruits and things, and your whole body nice. I spent about 3 months down here once. It was so...
Yeah.
So hello to Botswana. I said, do me long.
Do me long.
Yes.
Jamaica. Tour of the city of Kingston. Right now we're downtown at the business district really. We have the banks and all of the major buildings in Kingston. So First Global, this is the Grace Kennedy Bank, one of the biggest company in Jamaica. And we're basically on King Street now. So this is my office, my current office. This is KPMG, right? That's the KPMG in Jamaica, right? And King Street, this is basically the business district side. We don't really want them to see that side. That side that too.
No, they want to see everything.
They want to see everything.
Yeah,
all right,
yeah,
cool.
Yeah.
Cool. So right now, we're upon King Street. This is basically where all of the business activities in Jamaica. This is basically the capital. So you know, this is basically the corporate side of Kingston. So we're gonna take you through a few of the garrison areas, and then we go back uptown again, you know.
Tell them your name.
My name is Geran Thomas, and you know, just want to say hi to everybody from Botswana. Do me long. Mad. So Jamaica National. So basically this is where all of the transactions go on. This is where all of the major money turnover.
Yeah. So it go.
So right now you see, close to them areas here are basically garrison communities. So you will see a lot of people have got through just like Norman. Go down there, so down there are south. South Kingston, you know?
Yeah.
On a serious area, them one of the real serious area, them none of them area.
Yeah.
You see me? So back so we have Tivoli Garden, Jungle, and them place there.
Yeah.
You know? Them place there where the great Dodos come from. Them people, them notorious people they come from, like, you know? And thing. So you have a little based on how Kingston set up right now, there's no major separation from the business district and the communities. You know, people live close to the business district. So it basically gives a good feel of the people, because you really see the people who live in the communities and work. Just then at the same zone. You know? Not separated, everything mixed up together. So moving on King Street. So King Street is a major street in Jamaica. King Street and Duke Street. Because Duke Street have like the parliamentary houses. Right? Parliamentary houses where the Jamaica government heads meet. Right, so we are move up on Duke Street right now. I'm gonna take you to the Jamaica House. Where them convene every 2 times per week and have them rubbish discussion about them and mash up the economy. So right away so them think they go on. Garden House. George William Garden, one of the national hero name of. See there? Yeah? George William Garden, Garden House. So you will see like schoolers and them think they come for a visit. So this is it. George William Garden House. Where the parliament man them meet. Right. So we'll move on. This is what move on that our North Street. This is North Street where the famous maybe they be in Botswana and hear about Kingston College and Jamaica College and St. George's College. This is North Street. And North Street leads you to the major tabloid, which is the Gleaner Company, located on North Street, and St. George's and Kingston College, which is 2 of the biggest high schools in Jamaica, where basically bring forth successful youths. You know, once you go through them school system, there, you know, you kind of have a different level of ambition in Jamaica. Right now we are going to another monumental area. This is called Heroes Circle. This is where the national heroes are buried. So good that I drove here, so you can see a piece of the monument in Jamaica, and also a piece of the communities as well. So this is the National Heroes Park. Heroes Park. So over here, so the national heroes are buried. So what day when Obama come, see them road are pretty. As Obama come, them pay for all of them road. So we have some good road for drive and through Obama visit. So you see, National Heroes Park. This is where the African them love when them come. Them come to the Heroes Park and then meet up with the Rastafari and them, and you know, the culture really, most of the culture they around these sides are Kingston. Culture, you will see a lot of monuments. Simon, we say that's a statue of Simon Bolivar. See? One of them great money from them time there. So this is Alman Town. This is a community, Alman Town. You see me? Wait. Them building here, Ministry of Labour, 2 major building, government building, Ministry of Labour, public employment, and then the Ministry of Finance after that. Right? So transitioning from Kingston, basically this is the bridge between Kingston, downtown Kingston and uptown Kingston. This is crossroads really. Central Kingston really. You know? Kingston, nice place, nice vibe. So, you know, we need to bring over some of the Botswanians over to Kingston.
The Nigerians.
Nigerians. The Nigerians, okay. Right.
The beach in Kingston open late. What a beach the name?
Oh,
well, Portmore there.
Portmore, because Kingston really don't have no beach per se.
Yeah.
Port Royal, that be Kingston Beach. That is close to where you come off of the airport.
Yeah.
Right, so this is another high school. Woolman's High School. Right? Woolman's boys and girls. High school is a big thing in Jamaica comparative to how colleges big in the US right now. Basically, high schools really carry competitive sports, everything competitive. High schools are the major thing, you know. This is this I think. Well, I'm not sure if this is the college that Judith went to, Michael, or it's St. Joseph, but I think at this one, Mike, she went to this teacher's college, Auntie Judith. So yeah, moving into to Central Kingston. Yeah, man, capture the memories, man, just like how you make me capture the memories. Yeah. Well, yeah, I've captured memories, and we have a whole heap of memories for you catch tomorrow. Look more too, because we are going to the party, and you know, show the Nigerians them how the party going to Jamaica. Because you know, them have the same flavor like what we have, you know. The same rhythm, same people. Yeah. You know? That's why we love African people so much, you know, because them just, you know, we can relate. Same, you know?
Nothing different.
So under the high school up there, so same
people them look the same.
Yeah. You know?
African. Appear African there. So.
Yeah, man, be African there. If you see the people on the road, are just African.
African.
So there's no difference, really.
African.
Just be African.
And most of them come from Nigeria and Ghana.
Yeah, most of them.
And Cameroon.
Yeah, them areas they were really.
Yeah.
Really.
So this is.
Yeah. So we go drive that way here so we can get to view the upper camp.
Upper camp with the soldier.
Yeah.
That's where my father used to work.
Yeah.
Jamaica, no, that's the mountains where all the big house them. The plush.
Yeah, so now that you say them are going to have some development up on hill so.
Yeah.
Them house like recently built up in a couple of years now as real estate development thing big in Jamaica right now. So this a long mountain up there, so Asafa live.
Asafa Powell?
Yeah. Asafa Powell up the same live. And a couple other major people, you know?
Yeah.
House there right now. So see the upper camp right there, so if you see them kids that line up again tour, because daily primary schools and them people them come on tour of them monumental area. So like upper camp, this is over the camp. For the soldier camp.
The sun really deal with the place away.
Yeah, man, out of them places
beat it up.
Burn up, man. Them places are burn up, man. Them places are fireside.
Africa must look just like this.
Yeah. You know, I really look forward to going to Africa. I'm not lying.
Yeah.
I'm telling the truth. I tell you, say
and
right
next
now,
year, I'm going on.
Yeah. That's in my dream right now for go to Africa.
Yeah.
You know, I say specifically Nigeria and Ghana. You know, just want to go get a piece of the experience. You know? But overall,
LIKE theater, what is?
Yeah, this basically right now.
Like a pantomime?
Yeah, where all of them acting and drama.
And them have things every night? When them have it?
Them don't have no set dates because sure them type of events there.
Yeah.
These based on projects where them do, so it's like they will advise the public as soon as something become available.
Yeah.
But you know, them thing I bring forth some holy papa. So this building now, the towers basically is a building where Michael Leachin.
Recently?
No, long time building, big building, long time building, man. Big building, them two buildings are really two of the visible sites, you know, where you can see from up. So if you're in the sky, you can see them building. Yeah. Major, but you know, good enough building. A couple of our clients them on them. Yeah. So
halfway 2 miles this is downtown.
So this is New Kingston right now. We reach New Kingston basically. In New Kingston now.
Now what's the difference between New Kingston and the regular Kingston?
Okay,
why
so
one name new, what the other one name? Old Kingston?
Yeah, well downtown Kingston really.
Oh, so there's no Old Kingston?
No, not really Old Kingston. That's downtown Kingston. New Kingston is where you call uptown. So This is uptown right now, you know.
No,
Uptown
let me
have
ask
the
you
difference.
another question. How much clear, light-skinned people live uptown?
Right.
Why is that?
Well, it a come from the days of slavery, you know.
Yeah.
The capitalists, them basically, capitalism allowed the slave owners to take over the lands, and the slave owners, the descendants of the slave or the ascendants of the slave owners,
Yeah.
they are the ones who own the lands and all the major properties in the country. And their kids have kids, and as such,
Okay.
it gets segregated that slave owners stay on the lands that were designated for slaves, which is downtown, and uptown is where rich people, light-skinned people, and people who have money actually come build house. That's why you see all of them houses are built on them hill, because only the rich people really live here up here. But if you have good dreams and aspirations and you work hard, you can make it up there too. So you know? Yeah, man. So if you notice, this area have a different feel from downtown. Downtown more traffic in terms of people. You don't really see people on the road uptown. You know what I'm saying? We don't really see nobody.
Yeah.
Different.
Why is that?
Yeah, because most of the people in uptown
Drive.
them drive, you know. Them don't really dip on the road. Unless them a drive.
Wow, look at the nice mountain range. What do you call that mountain over there?
That are the Blue Mountains, you know.
Wait a minute, you're telling me that's the Blue Mountain?
Yeah, man, that are the Blue Mountains.
Because
come straight back, man.
Because the Blue Mountain comes straight back from Portland, right?
Yeah, from Portland.
Because I used to go to school near the Blue Mountain.
Yeah.
Wow.
Blue Mountain comes straight from Portland.
Beautiful. You know this is going on SaveJamaica.com.
Yeah, man, of course.
Gotta preserve the culture, the history, everything.
Yeah, man, so reaching a New Kingston now,
New Kingston.
I'm going to show you which part, which the client, which one may I do the audit for, which one them there, which part the bus location. Because I can't drive that way there, but I drive to see, I can get to see, you know?
Look at the mountain, Bridget. Nice. A house on top of the hill. Dollars after a floor.
Yeah, man.
Like a joke business.
Like a joke.
Dollars must have floor. That's about connections.
Kingston again. This is another major big business district where all of the big banks and them places they have them.
Now is it, what them sweet sap? How much for them sweet sap there?
Sweet sap. 3 bills. That's a $3 line of Kevin.
Right and ready to eat.
Alright. 3 bills. Sorry.
Yeah, you have change?
Yeah, man.
Not change.
Just give her this as a present.
$100, man.
$100?
Yeah.
Now give her 3 American as a gift.
3 bills?
Just a talk to me now.
Alright. Alright, let's see a word.
It's a gift for her.
Yeah.
Not like give the people them gift.
Yeah. You hear she said that a $3, that $100. So the things they gave it.
Yeah.
If you flick out $1 over so now.
Now what you call this? Cause it kinda nice, ready.
That is a fruit called sweet sap.
Sweet sap.
Basically one of the genuine fruits were really appreciated by Jamaicans and the world by extension. You know? Very good to mix juice too.
Yeah.
You know? So you have 2 types of sap in Jamaica. 3 types of sap still. Sweet sap, sour sap, and sap. Sap is when you get 6 love when you play domino. So we say 3 types of sap.
Yeah.
So JPS, that is where that's what we didn't know. Right?
Yeah,
yeah. Right? And then this is a New Kingston, not South Boulevard. This is a major party district. This is the party district. This is your Manhattan right now. This is your Manhattan right now. You know?
Okay.
So where all of your clubs there and them something there. All of your party spots, them there right there.
What a big artist now. You hear Nartel on the radio?
Who that?
Nartel.
Nartel. Me know that you there. He enter Rising Star already.
Yeah, you know.
You know him. Him did come on a program already and say make a comeback and he kind of take a time off of the business and I see him did a release a couple of videos, but him not really so popular yet at a level in terms of I'm still a teacher on the road, Vibes Cartel.
Yeah.
I'm turning on the radio right now.
Let's try it.
I will go up on some station.
Him still lock up?
Yeah man, still lock up and him are the artist.
Am I released something from jail?
Yes, man, be a crazy music, the man are released.
Am I still in jail?
We don't know how to do it, but they might do it. Oh, so them a play. So this are them some long time, them long time station. So, this is our Trafalgar Road. See me? Trafalgar Road. Another big bank.
Atrium, what the others?
The atrium is just a name of one of the NCB, National Commercial Bank.
Yeah.
Them call that building the atrium. That's there.
No, banana season, everybody has sell banana.
The banana ain't a real banana, Kev.
Oh, them force ripe?
Yeah, force ripe banana them there. You see me?
Okay.
Them ain't a real banana.
Businessmen I deal with the work thing.
Yeah. See? No, I'm good, I'm good, man. It's a company when I'm Jamaica Producers Company Limited. Them come in and them commercialize the banana production thing. Because it kind of either die out and then now have some machine that ripe banana like foreign people that do so. So them can have exports still going. And then a real banana. Really have a bad guy. I have to go downtown to get real banana.
I'll go country.
I don't buy them banana. You see me?
Petroleum Corporation.
Yeah, that's one big company too. Them deal with all of the importation of the gas thing. The gas bill, the gas price is out there fairly stable too, you know. You see me I said? Yeah. Fairly stable.
Real life.
Yeah, man.
Real thing.
Real thing. It's them behavior there.
Real bad driving.
Yeah. Real.
Jamaican style.
Yeah.
It's Rondie again back in Jamaica for see if Jamaica come. Yeah, you just spring round.
Almost reach
Look on the mountain.
Yeah.
Rondie back at it again. You see the fire the on top of it, right?
Yeah. Well, them there smoke. I the cloud that come down upon it, you know.
And the cloud that come down upon it. Rondie dip on the move again. No music have a camera, no me have a phone.
Yeah, because this is the technology there right now. So we run as a go, Kev.
Yes, sir.
Devon close. So this
Yes,
is the road named Kingsway. Them house you know, Devon House East. See me?
You have the address, right?
Yeah, man. 6 Devon Close. We know how we know.
Apartment 4.
1, 4.
Yeah. We do the thing right.
Yeah, man. You deal with it proper. He couldn't deal with no better than this. I tell you.
Near you.
Yeah, near work, near everything.
Party and everything.
Yeah.
And security.
Yeah.
Oh, so then we can't. Okay. Them say you can walk to Devon House.
Yeah, man. So
and there's always
the right
tour.
Yeah. Yeah. Devon House the right there, so we just pass the Devon House a while ago. I forgot to show you.
Okay.
I think this is a Devon Road. The one at the right turn. Yes, from Google Maps.
So now them have GPS down at you, right?
Yeah, but no, yeah. The GPS
Google Maps
system.
supposed to be GPS.
Yeah, man. The Google Maps work. I think this is a Devon Road. See?
So what's this area, Mr. Jerron?
Yes, well, this is what you call Kingston 10. Kingston, no, not Kingston 10, Kingston 6, Kingston 5, 6, Ardenne. This is the Ardenne Road, one of the major roads in Kingston.
What's Ardenne High School known for? What's the champion high school?
Ardenne is known for the Jamaica Spelling Bee champion.
Okay.
She won the spelling bee in the world spelling bee. Yeah, she's from here. Yeah, she's from Ardenne. Okay. My girlfriend went to Ardenne.
Yes.
Yeah, and Ardenne is good with basketball as well, but they are primarily an academic school, not so much a sporting school like JC or KC or George's or you know. Yeah.
Wow, they're so I'm smart.
Yeah, man, I be a smart kid, girl.
I'm in love today.
Yeah, you're falling up really fast.
Hey,
I'm out of
and life is beautiful. Time is perception. You know, man.
My baby ex, you see my ex put up something on Facebook. You were right. See, yeah, some people on Facebook will change their status. Today they're in a relationship. You know that? You know some people say complicated. Eh?
Yeah.
Some people in a relationship, the next day complicated. The next day they engaged too and they linking in a relationship with. You say they must write, they must have one button and say unstable relationship.
Africa, back and forth. Yes, family, see the sun there. I walk right now by the bush. That's how it's set. Hey man, Jamaica is Rondie again. So my family, yeah. You know me always tired come I do a documentary. Me always tired no pops, speak them up now.
Big up everybody for foreign. Sister Pauline, Auntie Marlene, all of the family. Big up on yourself. There you go bush. Look where I go on.
So we'll go over the bush right now. My mama grown. And I'll go take you on the experience. Jamaica, people over the world, I always Randy, always I take you. So pops, me and pops grew up and thing. And pops all along the bush there. Me get fat, you see, me get fat and thing. Them man I eat right. Them man are stronger than me and every time I walk, my eyes I blow hard. Cause me eat too much food when I come back here. Me eat too much food. Me eat too much food, Jamaica. So here we are. Sooner or later I go to the bush now. Alright, later. You see me? See the Jamaica. Manchester. Yeah. Up, yeah. Up. So see there?
Yeah.
We're going to bush right now. Jamaica, the new word is up. You see the mountain them point up.
Oh. I don't have any video. The big old White House over there. One over my yard. That yard the big as ever. That man there over Rooster yard. Anything we want to put about them, I can put about it. Anything. Because I'm bridging. Yeah, man. If you want to deal with the wood, I just send down this off. I just send this off come and you straighten up your thing and you get the money where you go pay the man to go cut the wood. You're good. If me fix up my van by the time you're ready, all the wood can come in the yard. Because my van can't get any
And you
more.
get a carpenter for build it.
Yeah, man. You get the wood up there now. Fine, I cut the wood, you know. When you go there, I cut the wood in a board 2 before, lot. 3 wood I cut, you know. So you go on the 2 before them to build the corner post them. All corner post. Lumber. So. Anytime you're ready, you get down this off. Then you get this off and you're ready. And if you want up and running by the time everything starts out, you go until you come back the wood them go there and pack up. You see that tree there? The one there. You want up this up.
Now we're going to the spot for the temple. This is the hidden temple I'll go build under the mountains. For the meditation and
What's this? A long time I don't come this side here.
ticks no up here.
I think so. You go find none now.
No cow. A cow bring ticks.
I mean, I know come up here. A long time now, I'm not come up here. I'm going to go them up here already. But you know, I know they're bush, different bush.
What kind of bush this?
That bitter bush. It's up in the place.
This is how our family they live.
No, I'm not from the lady, so I the people when they buy from. I people mama buy them salon from.
So this is the... So if I cut down all them tree here,
When you just cut down, man, you see everything down the road, man. Remember say, every just carry through this, you know. We can go and say, you see, what I don't say, you know. What I go and tend to really be hard, you know. And just go right through this.
there's a good view.
I tell you. I tell you that. You see, what I don't say. See, barbecue. You see, big fan right. You see, the eyeline, you know. Eyeline, over this along after my scalping.
So I can dig on the edge for the foundation.
When the man come.
This can be the floor, and we can dig for the enough around, you know.
Enough around.
Enough.
Can't work on it.
Yes. Make it easier.
I mean, you get a trade man to come line out and I tell you what happened. How strong this place be?
Man called Pops, tell me about the land, where you plant yourself.
Yeah, but me a yellow yam and nigger yam also. Cocoa and pumpkin. Banana there like a hill around planting. Doing in a service, yeah. Yeah, man. We're there in a place I go and look.
So this ground is the foundation of our family?
Yeah, man. If I have some of them start making anything, man, I come and join up, you know. When I left the place. Get on no bush.
Okay.
We're there, everything. Make really good food from right there, so.
And send your kids them go school?
Yeah, I mean, man, say my picking go to school bank right now. I don't know nobody for giving nothing, you know, so I have to just sit down and go out by myself. And I mean, I sit down and depend on nobody for getting nothing.
So now when the yam thing come up, you actually, the yam come through and then you guide it through the post.
Yeah, man.
And wrap it. And once you wrap it, you just keep running and then it turn into the monster whatever.
Yeah. Feed up and turn them.
So it can't find its way itself. So all this right now not reach the stick yet.
That grow. Sometimes when they use them 1 cent, then go find it too, you know.
Them 1 cent?
Yeah, man.
Then find it?
Yeah, man, they find it enough time, man. Enough time you come and they find it, man. After you come and they find it and gone up there, man.
So if the wind blow them just for a second and them feel something, them say about wait.
And maybe through this room plant and maybe a back way.
Yeah.
Put it far on the back.
Yeah.
Maybe you see they way out there so. So in a catch it, but you turn it around so.
Yeah.
Maybe that pushing yourself on the tick, you know.
Yeah.
But as it get longer, maybe you can even bow back and come over and catch it set speed.
So if the wind blow it and them feel something, them say wait there, man.
You make a itch.
You remember? You say wait there.
You know, so the carry turn up, you know, so when the yam grow. And you can't see it. You never see any move. Are you ready for right yes or no? Maybe you live yes or no, a man, you come see it right yes or if you turn up here all night, you never see any move. Not true.
Wait,
you can't see it.
with my camera, I have time lapse. So if I left my camera overnight, you know, me see it.
Oh, okay, you will see it.
It will take a picture every second.
Oh, so you need to take a...
Yeah. How about the weekly thing with the youth them? How much you take for spend for youth them in school?
$5,000 a week. 5,000 a week and buy everybody food. I want next 5,000, you know, so 10,000 every week. I have to spend 40,000 a month it cost me right here, so. I'm not work for nobody, I just like to bush them. Sometimes it's hard to save a dollar. Because food there. Yeah. You know, I say shoes I mash up, clothes I mash up, everything I mash up.
Yeah.
So I say rough, so it's hard to save 100-200 money. Right there, so and every day I can't dig them because I grow my plant. You see me? Yeah, so rough. But we still have to go and brace out.
Because them have to take the taxi, them have to...
Yeah. One guy Spalding's at school, 2 guy Harry Watch. I'm big that. I take exam next year, so you know, so it'll go bigger. So that's what it takes it. So maybe I go do. If you just go and live my life or something, I can patch you out. Everybody go through their struggling, you know, so I try to go through for me too. Yeah, man. Everybody go through their struggling, so. I mean, I look where I'm about right now. I just like go and do my thing. Anyhow you work out, but you must work out. When I feel me there, good day. I go and work out my thing. Picking them, I'll get big one day too. Can't help me. Like everybody else picking to get big.
Yeah.
Everybody picking to get big, I can't help them. Oh man, something I do. Take time and go and work out here, man.
So if you get a little
get
push with your van.
With my van. Me good. God know me good. Me can
at
move.
least you buy the van now, you just need to fix it.
Yes, me have the van. I just tell our sister Pauline with you. I just push one and push off. Yeah man. You get my van up and running, you can go to market. You can go buy a little yam a week time for the ship of them. You can make a money. Think you a little better too. When you come back here, so we build my little house. I just want a little start.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I go and work my thing, you know. And you work out, you work out. Go and plant the dung, them can help me plant.
Yeah.
I know there's some education to do nothing more.
So the good thing is that you have a plan.
Yeah man, I have a plan, man.
And once you get the van push off, You know, no poor about no kids no more.
No, I'm picking them alright.
Money I run.
Free.
Good. And at least you do the same thing over here. Try something.
I mean, never try, man. Ever I try. If I'm a sense me, I try. If I'm a 14 meter out for myself. Yeah, buy my first pair of shoes when I'm 14-year-old, you know. Walk from my back out, I'm take a service and buy my first pair of shoes. $80 man do. Yeah, from me, I look boy, me out.
Yeah.
I'm everything sort out, man. You go sort out one idea, you know. Yeah, man. Look how I go, no?
Jamaica, this is Norway, Manchester. That's how I'm born and grew up. So when you see me, I barefoot and buck toe. You hear me say? Yellow yam and white yam and apple and all them things that me used to eat. Country life, me know. That's why I say me do them film me. Because I don't want to forget where I come from. See me? See the cow there? Oh, just easy. Yeah, man. I tell you. Yeah, say to the people then.
Yeah, man. At Jamaica, I was saying every time, you know. I tell you, at Jamaica, I was saying every time. Because, as I say, I know the White Plains, I know the Bronx, I know the Queens, I know the Virginia, I know everywhere in America. I've been here, done that. But at Jamaica, it's easy now. You know? Everything good.
So why you leave? Why you say this is the move, you have to come back? Why you have to come back?
Well, my dream was Jamaica, you know. At Jamaica, I love my heart and everything that Jamaica. So it's like I go to America and God help me make money. I'm just return. I'm just set up my farming and pig farm and goat farm and everything. You know? And I said.
So you make money from the pig?
No, I say I go to America and make money and come back home.
And you buy the pig them?
Yeah, man. And
so you have, you have to set up a farm when you come back?
You have to set up something because if you have, remember, if I have the river and you run here no rain and fall, the river can run dry. So if me make some money and come back to Jamaica and pack up the money like say it's enough like my house.
Yeah.
I mean do something for invest and for maintain it. The money I can run down. So when I do now, I create something for have every day for make a everyday living. You understand? I'm there on the farm and everything I go on, everything good. Big up everybody in New York, same you know. I love you still. Connecticut.
How old is now?
44.
Yeah, and you live out already, so you just go play some
easy,
domino
man.
and drink some rum and you're good.
I'm a good man.
Smoke some good herbs.
Well, you don't know, and everybody smoke still, but you know, blessed is the man who want to smoke it.
Yeah.
But me not smoke it. I mean I drink still, so. But I'm good. As I say I'm good. Nah, I complain. I get up every morning, fresh, you know.
Are you this?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I'm hug them, I'm going to feed right now, you know. I feel like I hug them.
Well, you're an inspiration to many.
Yeah.
I want to make the move.
Yeah, man.
So farm the thing.
Yeah, man.
Save your money.
Save your money. Because I'll tell this again. I got a foreign, I'm saying people there from the 60s, the 70s, the 80s. I'm run left them and come back. I'm just go to 10 years and come back and come back. I'm good. Show them my house. I just at the back of the house.
You build it from scratch?
From scratch. Pops can tell you.
So your family help build it, you know really?
I'm alone build the thing, man.
You physically lay your block?
No, I have a contractor to build it, but
build
I
it.
spend the money and build it.
Yes, the real thing. The real dream.
Yeah, man.
I hate this.
Yeah,
10
man.
years.
10 years.
You drop out.
Yeah, man.
No physical illness. No pills.
No, I'm on high blood pressure pills still, but I'm good. I'm born with it.
Uh-huh.
You know, in the family, you know. In the genes, so I'm just
We respect you. You're a real dapper than faith. Drop out. At 27 years, I'm up there now and still things wrong.
Yeah, man.
27 years and can't give pops $100 when I come down. You know so things time.
Yeah, man, I know it, man.
So, alright. What's your name now?
Joel and them, my name,
Yeah?
Joel Barnes, Anthony, but they call me Joel and them.
How old are you?
I'm 21 this month I come.
Yeah.
21.
So we're gonna make Geron come link you cause the man that want come a country come eat some food. And you're this right age group. You're herbalist, right?
See,
Where the herb?
see, you know, say, the herb kind of done good this man, though, because this man, it's the last night, really later for the day.
Herbalist, the real thing. So I say you set up. Are you all the base? Must you have some plants?
Yeah, man, I think so, man, I try to catch them, see how you see.
So what kind of plant this?
You know, say, I saw some flowers that I can't buy names, but I saw.
So you like the flowers?
Yeah, man.
Jamaica some me sugar cane there, you see me? See the dog them there?
Yeah, man.
When I want a real Jamaica, me give it to no straight.
Straight.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
A real Jamaica them say Rondie bring it come, me bring it to give them. You see me? So give them a tour of the hangout.
I'll give a tour, hang out one. You see me? Tour, the hang out. It's a my room. It's how me sleep, you know.
Yes, sir.
In the side bathroom. In the side bathroom, nice bathroom. So I have to be around and do it.
Oh, you live plush.
Yeah, man, you flush, man. Straight up, man.
You sweet up the thing, father. You have a light to Christmas come, you're set.
Yeah, man.
And the flat screen.
DVD and the game.
Your game. And what does you have now? Nintendo 64. Plus, you have your DVD player, so you just watch a movie and thing.
Movie and thing.
So one of them are different game and thing.
And CD and them are the
Music.
copies.
What kind of music you listen to?
All type of music, reggae, dancehall, hip hop,
So what is your son now?
Christian, soul. In my show.
Like
More
movies?
Music, yeah, movies and music. Yeah, man. And that's how the kitchen set there. Kitchen man, that's well set.
When you set up, I say you leave, you have a potato.
Yeah, man.
Yes, some
Buy
farm,
some banks, seed there. The rest of this, you know, long time we have it still, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, long time we have it, man. Fast machine, you know. Yeah, man.
So you run down the hill long, sir?
Yeah, man, that's it, man. That's true, bicycle man, around, man. True, man.
Just I know, I love how you set up your thing. You live the life. Enough people now live it like you.
Really, man, enough people want to can't try it now.
So you tank water, you boil that before you drink it.
It's a water, you know, it's a water, normal drinking water, you know, so. Not really boil, because clean water said, you know. They come from others. You know, the tank come from really dirty.
Okay.
They wash out and things. Yeah. But the other water, the other drum, if you take the other drum, you have to boil, because the drum, you know, the water is and wash on. And then bathe and then we take the water and then drink it, you see.
Yeah. Eat a piece of cane, yeah.
You know, man, this look nice and clean, man.
So I saw it set, I could.
The father and mother, I'm so super mother and mother, so. But my father, I left out my father, man. Yeah, man. And my father gone, I can't a different father, you know, in gone, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And you know, say, oh, me there and thing, and so I get back in the house and I say, oh, John, no.
This is the alls. It's not the all full day, you know. That word they said is all full day. You know, it's not. I lie down on my bed here. You know, something's coming to me, you know. And if I should meet someone that I can explain and tell them certain things, so many things would be better. Because this thing come to me. It's not an all full day. It's not all the people was full. When Jesus was traveling on earth here, the scribes and the Pharisees was after him. He went to this parcel of ground where the people was planting corn. He stood there and let the corn grow, bear, and started to dry. So after he left them, they was plucking the ear of corn. The scribe and the Pharisees was coming after Jesus. He told the people them, Say, when the scribes and the Pharisees came where they are, ask them when Jesus passed by, you must tell them when the corn was planting. Tell me, Kevin, who was the fool? In that category, who was the fool?
Pharisees.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is the Pharisees and the scribe was the fool because they turned back. They never asked the people, say, if I yesterday they can't plant, or last week, they only asked him when Jesus passed by. They said when the corn was planting. The people them that was planting the corn was glad to know that their harvest come and they was reaping their harvest. They were not the fool. Now must the scribe and the Pharisees. Yes, because they get a message to deliver and they deliver the message. And then they was fooled because they turned back. You hear, you see? I was lying here and that thing come to me. It's not all fool there. It's some people, some fool. Because you hear the word go back to say, you fool some of the people, some of the time. You can't fool all of the people all the time. I get in some things, Kevin. And sometimes when these things come to me, I can't do laugh. Because I don't have nobody to explain these things to. Or to tell them these things. It's not all fools there. There's some people's fool there. The scribe and the Pharisees was the fool. Right? Because when they came, the corn was breaking. They never asked him how long. They only hear that is when he was passing, they can't plant. So you see? You hear me? That is a big thing. And if you should tell it to some of these psychologists now, they would say, they would have to look in it because it's true. This is true. The all is not all fools there. But no, the people then put it in all fool. Not all fools there. It's not everybody's fool. Sometimes you do things ignorant in ignorancy, but when you go back and when you recur it back, you say, but this is when you look at, I was saying to somebody, not seeing the person, but I was saying to the person, I said, look here, don't these 5 fingers, none of them is not equal. They all in their own category. 5 fingers, none of them is not equal. And you have to take these and judge the nation of the world. Some is down, low down. Some is a little above him. Some is 2 inches above that one. This is 3 inches above. And this one just stood there. And yet, it is the master of the hand. You have to, you know, knowledge increase. Increase knowledge. 5, you know, none is not equal. The category of the world. Some may get up and say, lad, and people are poor people and poor and some rich and this and that. But if everybody was on this stage, what would happen, Kevin? Eh? Or if everybody was on this stage, what would happen? Or if everybody sit down like a thumb, this is the thumb, you say this is your finger thumb. This couldn't work. It couldn't work. So, you know, with the wise God. And wisdom come from him. Because when Solomon go to him, he never asked him for riches. And because of what he asked him for, look what he did. You have riches unspeakable. He said, give me knowledge and understanding that I can try through. See? Wisdom is the head of everything. Knowledge comes second. And understanding come third. Thank you. Yeah, man. Can a young girl or a young woman give those sentence? No, they're not wise enough. And when you don't just grab things. Sometimes I just sit here and sometimes I get some teaching. Get some teaching. Just like you. you have somebody teaching you these things, telling you these things. If you fall on the floor, don't stay down there. Get up. And how you going to get up? You're going to get asking for strength to get up. And when you get up and you turn east, west, north, and south, you ask the question, where must I go? You're going to get the answer, you know? Whether to the east, to the west, to the north, or to the south. Or might perhaps you just stay here for a while. You see? They just can't understand me, kid. No one can understand. But one thing, me know, me glad to see you. And to know that you travel and you came here and it's okay. And, you know, God bless you. God bless you. And may God help you that you may extend your work. Extend. You see? But faith and hope. You have to have faith, hope, because it is the evidence of things that is substance. Those two are faith and hope. You have to have faith in the things that you live and hope that the things going to happen. And then you break through.
That's good advice. You know that came to you, your enlightenment. What are some of those things?
And that's what I'm saying to you now, because when I was, even what I said to you there about the Fool's Day, I never had those things before me. I never considered those things. I never knew those things. It's not somebody tell me, you know, and I don't read it out of a book. But that this come to me. I was lying down and like somebody said to me, say, it's not all Fool's Day, you know. It's Fool's Day. It is not all Fool's Days, it's the Fool's Day. And then like somebody come to me and say, who was the fool? So I go back in the back of my head and I say, it's not the people them that was planting the corn, and it's not Jesus that was traveling. It must be the Pharisees, the scribe and the Pharisees, because they were on a journey. You listen. You was coming from Mandeville, coming here.
Yeah. And
when you reach down the road, somebody tell you that, where you going? You tell him where you're going. You say, she not did it again, you know. Because him don't want you to go. So what you do? You say, okay, so since she's not there, let her go back to Mandeville. And luckily to know that the person tell you a lie. You know, see, the person tell you a lie that I'm not here anymore. Right? So you turn back. You see? And if you did say, okay, if she's not there, somebody must be at the house. You see what I'm coming with? And when you come to the house, the person tell you a lie because you come find me. You see? You understand me, Kevin? You see what I'm jibing on? So you're not the fool. So because you come. But the Pharisees know, they were going after Jesus. They hear that is the day that they can't plant him passes. So they turn back. So they was the fool. You see? So I think it's last week, you know. Last week, me lie down here and that come to me. And sometimes some things, Kevin, at this age of life, I never experienced that I would say these things and know these things. Because I have to say to myself, that's why the eye didn't get in, because I read a lot. I used to read a lot. And sometimes my daughter even said to me, say, Mama, it's a good thing you used to read, you know, because I went to Kingston and she take me to a church. And while I was in the church, certain things happened. Remember, me tell you, me can't see. Me glimpse. Because if you get up and you're going, so me see your past, but me can't. And certain things happen. When me come home, I said to her, I said, Jennifer, tell me something. The people in the church blind. And me say, why you say that, Mama? Me said then, when the service was going on, a certain hymn chorus was singing. And the Spirit of God came in the church and was greeting the church. And nobody greet the Spirit. And I can't see. But I know that the Spirit came in the church and was greeting the church twice. He said, Mama, it look like all of them, most people them blind. But me say, then if them are blind, a blind leader, be blind. All right. A sister was there. She was down on the ground. And I said to my daughter, I said, what the pastor of the church should do? He's the pastor of the church. While she was crying out for, I don't really saw what she was saying. She said, greet the Holy Spirit, greet the Holy Spirit, greet the Holy Spirit. She was on her belly and she said, greet the Holy Spirit. Something was going to, that woman should have received the power of the Holy Spirit. But there was no one to help her. And she just was there crying out, praise the Lord, brethren, praise the Lord, brethren, praise the Lord, brethren. And she was on, and no one get up and help her. And I couldn't see, because if I leave my seat, it's not my church, right? I don't supposed to go down to that. But the Spirit showing me what was to do. You see, showing the child, the woman and the poor need help. And there was no one to help her. You see, so I explained it to my daughter, and she called the lady, and she was she called me on the phone. I don't know her, she don't know me. I don't know who give her, must be my sister, my daughter give her. And she said she want to see me. Because our spirit show her that I have the experience of what was going on in the church. And she came to the home. And I sit there with her. And I show her and I tell her certain things. And the tailor said that woman was so filled up. She was so happy. You know? Because she said, Mother, it's the same thing was to happen, but there was no one to help me.
They send you some money, alright? First time I get the paycheck, send me up one.
I just look at the other things, just take over and everything.
No, I'm sending you money for all the cash and everything. Carry you fix up seatbelt for me, you never ever fix it for me. You buy a pot for too. You want to know some big chef will come, you make sure you buy a pot and I know things you do to make sure I'm comfortable.
And the seat with a lead today.
Seat with a lead, you fix a seat.
Get the seat fixed. The seat belt. That time did it? You want me one?
What that?
I say the seat belt. You just take as a me one.
I know. How much you pay to fix it?
6,000. 7,000. Then I know something seat belt is a little thing I'm going to do. I see, I want new one. I do one different one. And then I buy this to protect it. Yeah, so the way the dirty, I'm going to wash it off. The thing here. Yeah. And then the fair. Yeah, the use of thick sitting up on your side.